Do yourself a favour, if you've got a little money and a little amount of time, making bread at home is absolutely banging. So we're sticking to the KISS method, keep it simple stupid, 4 ingredients, with oregano being the optional 5th. Half a teaspoon of dry yeast like this, teaspoon of table salt, 3.5 cups of AP flour, 450 to 500 mils of straight tap water at about 40 degrees Celsius or just over 100 Fahrenheit. Start off with the dry ingredients first, mix that up, and then we'll add the water gradually from there. Optional, half a tablespoon of oregano. Add about 300 mils of your water and we'll stir it up and we'll look at the consistency from there. So as you can see, there's still loose flour, that's far too dry. We'll add half of the remaining water. So if you ever made banana bread, this is similar to mashed banana, just a little bit thicker. Basically you want to centralize it in the bowl. This took about 3 minutes from start to finish. Some Glad wrap over the top. This will rest overnight or about 8 hours. See you in about 8 hours. So now the next day, let's do the prep. So baking paper upside down so it doesn't curl up. Tray of water into your barbecue or oven, preheat to 220 Celsius or 428 Fahrenheit. The tray of water will obviously heat up and then produce steam throughout your cooker or your oven. Right, let's take a look, see what we've got. This is the sort of consistency that you want. Nice wobble, but it'll still have a little bit of stretch on it in the bowl. So because this is going to be stickier than shipped to a blanket, you either want to put olive oil on your fingers or a lot of flour, and then you can pull it out. Then we'll form the baguettes from there.
Flour your cutting board like you're on the set of Narcos. Now just divide your dough into 2, and then you're going to use your spatula and just roll it around the flour until you form a rough baguette.
All right, you're just going to grab those, put them on your baking tray, then we'll go straight into your oven or barbecue. Bit of heat of flour on the top, a couple of slits on the top, and this will open up during the cook. About 1/2 centimetre in depth.
220 Celsius or 428 Fahrenheit. Ensure your water tray is steaming before you put it in. This will go for about 35 minutes. Take a quick gander, that should have a nice light brown. Turn your oven or barbecue down to about 180 Celsius for 5 minutes.
When it sounds like this, you know you're good to go.
Admire the hotness of your new loaves. Jesus. Let it cool in the wire rack, then slap some butter and Vegemite on, give it a red hot shot.
Let's give this a red hot shot. My God. The faint pops of oregano is actually amazing with the Vegemite.
I added some smoked brisket on for funsies.
Absolutely bloody fantastic.